Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome back to this channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. You know, say God care for the body, don't. But I wonder if you know, say, you matter to him more than where the body matter to him. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people fear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, today the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure, say you no miss none of what I go on. Right here so. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 12 from verse 4 to verse 7. My friend, hear what me I say. No afraid of who can only kill the body. That's all them can do. Make me tell you who you not afraid of. Afraid of the one who can kill the body and have the power to fling on the soul down a hell too. Yes, me I tell you a him you not afraid of. No uncle 2 penny, 5 bud selfa. But God no forget no even one of them. Even the ear where they pan every one of our head in count up and know how much they. So nobody afraid, cause to God, who know what more than enough bud. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.